Are you struggling to pay off your debts? Do you feel like you're drowning in bills and high interest rates? You're not alone. Many people are facing the same problem, but there is hope. With a little bit of effort and dedication, you can crush your debt in just 30 days. In this video, we'll share some tips and strategies to help you become debt-free in a month. Understanding debt. Before we dive into the strategies, let's take a moment to understand what debt is and how it can impact your life. Debt is money that you owe to someone else, typically with interest. The interest rate can vary, but it's often high, which means you end up paying more than you borrowed. Debt can be in the form of credit card balances, car loans, student loans, or mortgage payments. Debt can cause stress and anxiety, affecting your mental and physical health. It can also limit your ability to make important financial decisions, such as buying a home or starting a business. Understanding the impact of debt is the first step to becoming debt-free. Introduction. Debt can be a crippling burden that affects every aspect of our lives, from our mental health to our relationships. Whether you have student loans, credit card debt, or any other kind of debt, the thought of being stuck in that cycle can be overwhelming. However, it's important to remember that you're not alone, and there are steps you can take to overcome your debt and achieve financial freedom. In this video, we'll outline a step-by-step guide to help you crush your debt in 30 days. Step 1. Assess your debt. The first step in becoming debt-free is to assess the extent of your debt. Start by creating a list of all your debts, including the amount owed, interest rates, and minimum payments. This will give you a clear picture of where you stand and how much you need to pay off. Step 2. Create a budget. Once you have a clear understanding of your debt, it's time to create a budget. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back on spending and allocate more money towards paying off your debt. Start by listing your monthly income and expenses, and then look for areas where you can reduce your spending. Step 3. Set a goal. Setting a goal is an important part of the debt-crushing process. It will help you stay motivated and focused on your end goal. Determine how much debt you want to pay off in 30 days and create a plan to achieve that goal. Step 4. Prioritize your debt. Not all debt is created equal. Prioritize your debts based on interest rates and minimum payments. Focus on paying off high-interest debt first, as this will save you money in the long run. Step 5. Increase your income. Finding ways to increase your income can help you pay off your debt faster. Consider taking on a side hustle or selling items you no longer need. Use the extra income to pay off your debt. Step 6. Negotiate with creditors. Don't be afraid to negotiate with your creditors. You may be able to lower your interest rates or negotiate a payment plan that works better for your budget. Step 7. Cut back on expenses. Cutting back on expenses can be a great way to free up extra cash to pay off your debt. Look for areas where you can reduce your spending, such as eating out less or canceling subscriptions you don't use. Step 8. Use the debt snowball method. The debt snowball method involves paying off your smallest debt first and then moving on to the next smallest debt. This method can help you gain momentum and stay motivated as you see your debts disappear one by one. Step 9. Celebrate your progress. Don't forget to celebrate your progress along the way. Every small win is a step closer to becoming debt-free. Treat yourself to something small as a reward for staying on track. Conclusion. Crushing your debt in 30 days may seem like a daunting task, but with a solid plan and commitment, it's possible to make significant progress towards becoming debt-free. By assessing your debt, creating a budget, setting a goal, prioritizing your debt, increasing your income, negotiating with creditors, cutting back on expenses, using the debt snowball method, and celebrating your progress, you can achieve financial freedom and break free from the burden of debt. Remember, the key is to stay motivated and stay on track towards your end goal of becoming debt-free.